Hey everyone, it's Marish. We're basically done with this chapter, so I'm sending out a review packet to you today. I'll be sending it out in about 5 minutes. Before I send this review packet out, I want you to understand a few things. I created a Google Doc with the assignment. You will get your own copy of the Google document once I create it. And in order to get credit for this Google document, you must fill it out and upload a shared link to Moodle in the review packet submission area. Because I'm going to be sending out the answer key at 2:15 p.m. on Tuesday, your review packet has to be turned in by Tuesday at 2. So you can't be past 2 or I will not give you credit because I'm sending out the answer key. So I'm going to show you how to upload it really quick so you can do this correctly and get the credit. You're going to get a link. Here's the review. Once you fill all of this out, you're going to go to Share. You're going to put it on anyone at Meriden Public Schools with the link can edit. Copy the link. And you're going to go to Moodle, which is here. I want to make sure I'm set as a student so you can see what you have to do. So in the student section of the review packet submission, you're going to click on this. You're going to add a submission. I've edited mine, so let's start over. You're going to add a submission, create a link, and paste that link in. Once you create your link, you're going to hit Save Changes or Submit, and then you will be done. This has to be done by 2. It's going to close at 2. It will not accept anything after 2. And also very, very, very important, when you're in your Google Doc, it has to be an edit. If it's not an edit, I won't accept it either. It has to be an edit because that's the only way I'll accept it. So hope that clarifies things for you. Please get this done as soon as you can. Get it to me. I will send that answer key out 2:15 on Tuesday. Good luck. Hope you have a good weekend.